1, 2. Flower buds usually form at the axil of new growth. So in order for you to trick your guava tree into flowering and give you guavas, you must know how to cut off the new growth. In order to do that, you have to look at the branch and identify where the wood is and count the leaf sets, right? 1, 2, and then snip it off. Here is an example. If you look here, this is the woody area. This is the green. So you count 1, 2. Sometimes you can go 3, but 2 is good for me. And snip it off. This is the axil where the new growth will form. When new leaves form out here, flower buds will come along here as well. Remember to do this in the spring, so when the temperature reaches 70 degrees or over, new growth will form and flowers will start showing up for you. And if you grow guava for many years but never understood why, it won't give you any fruits. Pruning this back really helps the tree to focus on reproductive growth rather than new lusty leaves. You can see here that the tree produces a lot of leaves, but what we want for the spring is the tree to stop growing new leaves and give us more flowers and more guava. Don't forget to fertilize the guava, and if you want to know how and what to fertilize, drop a comment down below and I will give you the answers.